Alpine Mountain River Flyover. November 11, 2025. Here is my drone video, flying over an Alpine mountain river, just outside of Manning Park, BC. Flight number 154, distance of 546 meter, 1,790 feet, altitude of 34 meters, 111 feet, at home point. This looked like a great spot to take a break from driving to Summerland. Just enjoying the view, stretch my legs, and a great spot to practice flying my drone. Nothing too exciting to view, just a relaxing river flowing calmly down the mountainside. I filmed the video at 30 frames per second, but reset my drone to shoot 60 frames per second for a smoother flight recording from now on.